Hello guys, I am now gonna teach you how to make a double boat. And here it is. First we have to put this paper to a half, and remember that the paper has to be a square. And then something is silly. Now we have to just unfold it again. And like this, it should touch the line. There. And we have to just do this. Press. We have to press like that and then unfold. Same to this side. And then unfold. Then fold. And then we have to make a square. I see who you are. You are my enemy, my enemy. You are my enemy. And now we have to unfold it again like this. And then, just like this line I taught you earlier, now this part just should meet the line. And then press. And then unfold that. And then step to the other side. Bleep, bleep. Okay. Now we have to do this. It's the hardest part. But see that line this meted before? We have to pick the front layer that is going to be touched to the middle line. Like that. And same to the other side on this. Oh man. Perfect. Now the paper has to look like this. And now we have to push forward like that, and then press, 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 and then zip to the other side. Remember, the other side should be touching to that boat. And the lesson is not done yet. So if you see like this, then you need to slice it. Not like that. Like it. Like it should be on the floor or on a flat surface. And then voila! Look at this double boat.